Hi guys, it's the month of December and today I'm here to share my December favorite items that I use on my hair and on my body. Okay, so let's start with the body items that I use. This shower gel. My friend recommended this shower gel to me and it smells like a fresh orange, citrus and everything mixed. Like it's a very sunny, bright fragrance and I love to put this on my body. I love when I take shower with this one. It's called Sunny Brazilian Love Ocean. This is my number one shower gel. The next thing that I love to put on my body is this Dove scrub, the very famous Dove scrub. Now this is a new fragrance that I have been trying. I had the shea butter one before and this is the crushed almond and mango butter exfoliating body polish. It's so yummy. Like I feel like eating this every time I put it on my body and I can't have enough of it. I love it. Moving on to my hair care routine. Because it's winter, my scalp gets dry and itchy, so I like to clean it with some clay and anti-dandruff shampoo once in a week. So this is the shampoo that I use. It's from L'Oreal Scalp Advanced Shampoo. And then I use this clay mask. This clay mask can also be used as a shampoo. If you use it as a shampoo, you just have to put it on your scalp and then massage it. It will lather up and then wash it. And if you are using it as a mask, you can put this on your scalp and wait for 5 minutes and then wash it. After I'm done with washing my hair, I like to use a serum. This is the serum that I use, not regularly. Serum is from L'Oreal and it's called Extraordinary Oil. After putting the serum, I like to put this L'Oreal's Dream Lens No Haircut Cream on the ends of my hair. I got this tester pack from L'Oreal, this Vitamino Color hair mask for the ends because I have my ends colored and this really helps in strengthening my ends. I love it. Now a very famous face wash that everyone uses is the Cetaphil. Of course, who does not like using this? I love it. It's a gentle skin cleanser and if you put this and don't wash your face, it's fine. It's very gentle on your skin and right now I have been using this dry to normal, but I have shifted to the oily skin cleanser now. Let's see how that works. But this one is also nice. For all the girlies out there, this is Nua's sanitary pad which I like using. It does not give me any rash or whatsoever. It's so comfortable to use. Okay, it comes with 12 pads and I love using these on my periods. It's really comfortable. Okay, for oil, I like using Parachute, the basic one, but because I have dry scalp, I like to pair it up with Soulflower's tea tree oil. It's almost empty now. And also, I like to mix it with some rosemary oil. It's from Aravi Organic. I hope I mentioned every product's name. And that was it for my December favorites part 1. I will be adding part 2 soon on my channel where I'll tell you about my skincare favorites, skincare and makeup favorites. I would love to do that. If you want to see more of such videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe.